Alright guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. You already know what it is. Go ahead and drop a like, comment, subscribe. Today we got like a little sponsor from Extreme Online Store and Custom Interior. We got these nice seat covers right here for the Wrangler. So we got the black with red stitching and red inserts. So they look pretty nice. It looks pretty simple install. We got like some clips. Right now I installed like some of it just to see how it looks and how it goes. It's pretty simple, pretty easy and straightforward. So this is gonna be the kit for 2018 through 2024 Jeep Wranglers. So we got like a little lift kit going on and stuff. But anyways, check it out. So I already installed the passenger side. It's a little bit of work. I mean, not too much. That's how the driver's side looks right now, the original part. So these are pretty simple for this part. Basically, I do it with one hand. So the bottom will be the strap. Let's see. Basically, what you're gonna do is that this goes over the headrest. You're gonna slide it down, work with it. Just like that. And then you're gonna do a little Velcro. I'll do it right now, but you get the idea. So this is how it's gonna look once we're done installing it. I know the Wrangler's a little dirty and stuff, so it's alright though. But that's pretty much how it's gonna look right now when we finish everything. So I did this part and I did this part because of the car seat, so I wanted to get out of the way. So I did this side. Basically, this is one whole piece right here. I'm gonna finish it up right now with the middle part. I'll show you guys how to do it. So yeah, guys, this kit's pretty nice. I mean, for the price of it, it's nice. The stitching is good. The work, like the quality of it, is pretty nice, and it's like a really simple install, like I said. So we got clips, little hooks. So let's go ahead and get this install started. So like I said, guys, this is the OEM seats right here. They're a little, I guess, outdated, you could say, compared to those. That makes the car look a little more modern and stuff, and it hides all the wrinkles. So that you see all the little, like, stretch marks, you could say, right here in the bottom. So it's also gonna hide this little rip that we have right here. So it'll look pretty nice when we're done. I'm gonna go ahead and start recording the install. And yeah, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think about it. Alright guys, so we're gonna finish up the middle part. So what's cool about these, they also have like this Velcro straps that go behind the seat. So first thing first we're gonna do is zipper this up. Make sure it's nice and tight. Make sure you got your seatbelt out too right here. Put that to the side. So just like that, pretty simple. For this side, we're gonna have to bring this seat forward a little bit. Just like this. Make sure you put the straps through the back. There's gonna be two straps for the Velcro straps. Once you do that, you just lock it in like that. Zipper up this side. Make sure it's nice and tight. For the middle headrest, this one's pretty easy. It's just two little straps. So what you're gonna do is put it over and wrap it around. Same thing on this side. Just like that. Make it look nice and tight. Go ahead and slide it down. See, very simple, very clean. Now we got the middle side done. We're gonna work our way to the outside. For this headrest, this one just slides over. It's really simple, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and go like this. And look at, if you guys look at it, it's like the OEM style also. With the stitch and everything, it's exactly the same. So now we got this part all done. We're gonna go ahead and work our way towards the outside. Get the back on, get the bottom on, and then the back will be done. Alright guys, so check it out. So this is the bottom of the seat cover. Basically when you put it on the seat, on the bottom, these are gonna connect just like that. They clip on, pretty simple. These are gonna clip on to the bottom of the seat. They're like little hooks. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done. What you want to do is you want to make sure you slide this in between the back seat. And also the other one. Get them both tucked in there. Slide this part down beneath. Once we get this semi on, we could start doing the back. So that's pretty much it for now. So for the back part, we're gonna have to bring up the seat forward again. So this is the middle part. You're gonna slide it between the headrest and over. Just like that. This part slides around to the side. Remember, there's also two Velcros for the back of this. Okay. You want to make sure they're tight as possible. This way the seat cover can sit firm. Okay, you got one hook. Then we got the other hook. Alright, so the back is pretty much done. I just gotta go on the bottom of the seat underneath and connect the little hooks. There's one. You could hear them when they click in. There's two. Three. and 4. Okay, so check it out, guys. Pretty nice, pretty clean. Everything's all nice and tucked. We got the seatbelt right here. We got this little insert. This way you could put the car seat on this side if you need to. But overall, it's pretty nice. So now we got the back done. We could do the front. So you know how the front has these OEM pockets? The new ones come with a pocket too. So very nice. And the stitching on them is pretty nice. So we're gonna go ahead and put this side on. Get it done. The back part's pretty much done already. Alright guys, for this part, I'm gonna fast forward it. It's pretty much the same thing as the rear to do, so we're gonna go ahead and get this done. Alright guys, check it out. So I pretty much got it mocked up. The bottom's done. So basically with these little clips, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide it in between the seat. And when you slide it, you're gonna flip it with your fingers, and it's gonna get stuck like that in the back. So it's gonna hold it for you can't pull it out. Right now this is still like a little bit loose. It's because I gotta fix up here. So right now I'm gonna get like a little screwdriver to help feed it in. This way I can put the headrest on, just like how this one is. So I get it nice and tucked and everything, and then we'll show you guys the end result right now. It's got all nice and tucked. Looks pretty good. We just need to put the headrest on and the cover. Other than that, we're pretty much done. Oh, we gotta fix this little part still. I'll do that right now. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good fitment. Look at that. Pretty nice. Alright guys, my favorite thing about this is that you can still use a cup holders for the rear. All you gotta do is slide this back when you're done. Zip this up. Pretty straightforward. Then we still have the like OEM style pockets for the rear seats. So all that looks good. We got the back all done. We got the front all done. Look at that. Very nice, very nice. Everything's all nice and tucked. The headrest, everything fits good, like a glove, basically how it should. The stitching is really good on these, and we're pretty much done. I mean, if you guys want, I'll drop a link right now. It's from Extreme Online Store / Custom Interior. They do really good work. They do Camaros, Corvettes, Mustangs, obviously Dodge, Jeep. They pretty much do everything. So go ahead and give them a look, check it out. That's pretty much it for the Wrangler for today. We're pretty much done. I just wanted to do that quick install video. It took only like 30 minutes, to be honest with you guys. Maybe, yeah, like 30, maybe 40 minutes. I tried cleaning the inside. It's a little hard, but anyways, we'll catch you guys later. Don't forget to drop a comment, like, subscribe. Peace.